Apo.
Ito muna.
Sige. Okay. Sige, ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ay, dito naman. Sige, okay. Ito naman.
Pwede pala na, pwede pala na.
Okay. Sige. Ano to? Okay. Ka-off. Sige. Already. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you. We have Sir Ryan Coronel.
Atin pong designated table per batch. At yung po yung batch year kay table. Let's take a two table tamo. While we are waiting, pwede tamo rin pong mag-picture training at photo walk tamo beside security guard house.
Kaya talabanda.
Retro batch 1987, the elder batch at sula po kay pioneer batch. At sula po din left side na po ng stage. Facing the stage on the left. Tapos followed by 1988, 1984, 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, wala pa tayong representative. 1999. Okay, sorry. Let's relax ourselves. Magkumustahan muna tayo. Medyo napahagba or napaaga yung ating pagbalik from our motorcade. Meron din po tayong simple refreshment. May water po sa taas po sa mga tables po natin. We are free to drink those. Habang nag-aantay po tayo ng mga kasama po natin, pwede po tayo magkumustahan. We can refresh ourselves. Pwede rin po tayo mag-picture taking doon sa photo wall beside the security guard house.
Delikado naman po. Okay na yan. Okay. One, two, ready, and... Ito pa po. One, two, ready, and... Okay na po.
Ay, sir po yun po. Gusto tayo sa photo booth ang announce namin.
Ay,
Para po ako pala doon. Hindi dito. Dito, di ba?
ay, okay po. Ano?
Announce namin na habang ano po. Para may pagkakaroon
Tapos kita medyo may stop by January magkayatan sa phone scan pero may stop pa kasi pinag-stop.
Montessori niya rin. Montessori niya. Pareho ka.
Sir Albert. Alright po, gitna lang po ito lang po gitna. Urong lang po. Urang lang po. Okay na po yan. Alright. Sige po, ikay po bala. Namin kayo. Ayaw po. Once you're ready. Alright, let's go.
Please proceed.
Once you're ready. And walking. Walking. One, two, ready. Alright.
Those who would like to have a photo session for our alumni homecoming, you may proceed near the garden house for the photo booth. Likewise, for those who are looking for comfort room, we have comfort room dun po sa malapit sa basketball court and at the back of this stage. You can use the remaining time to mingle with your classmates. I know you miss them a lot, and it is a good opportunity to bond with them. Thank you so much.
Sir Lawrence.
Once again po, requesting everyone to please make sure po na naka-register tayo because that is the basis of our committee for the food that will be served later. Once again po, make sure that you are registered po sa ating registration area because that will serve as our basis for the food that will be served later. Also, we have photo booth near the security guard area. You could have your photo souvenir together with your batchmate. And for those representative of each batch, we have yung tambiola po doon for your stocks for our raffle later on. Once again po, make sure na nahulog po natin ang ating even if it is a simple snacks, you find it sumptuous because what matters most is not the food, but alone, but rather the time that you could be with
Sir.
your classmates today. Likewise, I would like to acknowledge Ma'am Emily Sarmiento. Good afternoon, ma'am. I know you have plenty of memories with Ma'am Emily Sarmiento. Sabi ko nga kanina, whenever I see her, feeling ko remain standing pa rin ang sasabihin niya sa akin. Kasi that is, and one of the good memory na gusto ko, na hindi ko makalimutan kay ma'am because she's a good thing. She's been a teacher of mine in college. Pinagawa niya kami ng sentence. Ang sagot ng classmate ko is, the dog is barking. Ganito po si ma'am. Kasi grade 1 pa daw po, kung nagbabark na yung dog, college na kami, nagbabark pa yung dog. Kaya po, medyo tumaas ang kilay ni ma'am. So, siguro may mga fan memories din kayo with Ma'am Emily. So, pwede nyo i-recall yan. Sino ba yung napakayo? Sorry, nag-picture mo ba si Ma'am Emily?
Actually, she's one of my inspiration kung bakit I took up Bachelor of Secondary Education and major in English kasi English teacher.
Ay, wow! So, nakakataan mo yung mga patula-tula ni Ma'am yung mga Lord, Father, and Son. Where have you been? Pagano na. Declamation. Yes, I learned how to do declamation because of Ma'am Emily Sarmiento. Yung naging lungdaring ka na. Yes. But because of her contribution to our life, tingnan mo, nakatayo-tayo ngayon. Tinanggal niya yung kahihiyan. Pero in a positive way. Yes. Good. Okay, check natin yung mga batch, sir. Baka naman mamaya may special prize yung mga batch who arrived early. Starting with 1987. Kompleto na po ba? 1987! Actually, 1987, but still they look young. Yes, and vibrant! May asin pa! Okay! How about 1988? Awards 2010! Ang 2010, hindi nag-lunch. Walang energy.
Pagkain na daw, pagkain na.
Oh, our young generation.
And of course, generation natin ay sila po.
Sir, wag kang ay just Doon ka. Ako nga nandito sa pinakaunang batch eh. We have the 2012! 2012! Also, sir, let's acknowledge the faculty of San Salvador National High School. Alam ko, part ka ng San Salvador National High School.
Of course, both faculty from the senior high and the junior high, thank you for staying with us this evening. No? Ayun po. Lalo-lalo na po gusto mag-involve sa ating program this evening. And marami pa pong kaganapan at magaganap ngayong gabi. Ang gaya po, hindi lang memories ang babalikan natin, but we'll be creating new memories starting from today.
Yes. And indeed, so let's also acknowledge the committees of the 40th homecoming na nagpagod for this event to happen, to make it possible. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga committees who really work hard in making this event possible. Likewise, maraming like sponsors, sir, pero unfortunately, I do not have with me the list of sponsors so we could acknowledge them. So, sana meron tayong list of generous sponsors so we could acknowledge their generosity. By the way, sa mga hindi pa po nakapagpa-picture, we have photo near the security guard. You can have your photo taken together with your batchmate. Thank you so much.
Sir Kirby, good afternoon. Hi daw. Hi. 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 Hello. Ito si idol ko.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again.